Local news for Friday, the 27th of March. The Wairarapa now has 5 confirmed cases of COVID-19. The number has grown from 1 this time last week, with 1 recovery. The Carterton District Council member affected by COVID-19 said, although I've been cleared by public health, I will continue to do everything I can to help protect my community and follow the isolation rules under the current alert level. He also said, this has been really difficult for me. My workmates and 99% of people out there have been really supportive. Some have been really harsh on social media, and I just want to remind everybody to please be kind to everyone. The business community are pulling together in what are unique circumstances. A webinar will be held today about navigating the future of work at 12:30pm. More info is available at wecc.org.nz. Local medical centres have noticed things are quieter than expected, but they are reminding people that if they're feeling unwell, they can still go, as long as they call first. And forecast showers are hoped to provide some, if only a little relief to farmers over the next few days. 26 mils are forecast to fall in parts of the region, and that is before midday tomorrow, with more rain projected to fall in the middle of the next week, along with continuing showers. Kia ora, and hope you are doing well and staying safe. From all of us here at MoreFM, stay safe, be kind.